Jake here for American Trucks, and today I'm taking a look at the door handle covers in gloss black fitting 2015 to 2020 F-150s. If you're looking for an easy way to update the look of your F-150, whether you're going for that full chrome delete or not, these door handle covers are going to appeal to you. They offer a simple, easy solution to give your truck a sleek look without spending a ton of money. If you do happen to be going for that all blacked out look on your F-150, one of the things you might have been struggling to get matched up might be those door handles. Rather than replacing them, wrapping them with vinyl, or doing something else to make it happen, these are going to offer you a simple, easy way to get the look that you want without a ton of fuss. Essentially, these just stick right over top of your door handles. They even have a provision for the keyless entry buttons on the handles as well, so you don't lose any functionality here, and you get that cool blacked out look too. Now, you might have noticed that there are 6 of these on the table in front of me, and that is because they give you the provision for Smart Key as well. So 2 of them here, as you can see, have the provision for that Smart Key keyless access button, and the others do not. So you have the flexibility. Even if you don't have Smart Key equipped on your truck, you can still get these fitted and have them look just right. And they're essentially a peel and stick setup too, and they fit perfectly over the factory door handles, keeping all the functionality intact. No muss, no fuss. That peel and stick operation also makes them easily removable should you want to change things up or return the truck to stock at some point down the line. Each cover is made from ABS plastic, and of course it's finished off with that gloss black coloring on top. The ABS material means that these are going to wear well, they'll be quite durable on your truck for some time to come, and they basically add no weight. ABS is also impact resistant, so if you happen to catch the handle on something, bump it into another vehicle or a wall in your garage or something like that, you're not going to have to worry about them shattering or cracking. Now on the back sides, like I was talking about earlier, these have pieces of automotive grade double-sided tape already in place to keep them stuck nice and tight on the door handles of your truck. Price-wise, these are only going to run you about $90, and that makes them a pretty affordable modification. Certainly less than trying to replace the full handles, and probably less than even if you went out and bought some vinyl wrap for them. Plus, you don't have to worry about futzing around with all that, you just stick them on. And as we know, I'm a big fan of anything that's less than $100, especially something that improves the look and keeps the functionality intact. So if you like this look here, if this is something you're going for, I really don't think you can go wrong with picking up a set of these. As you might expect, given what we've already talked about, installation gets an easy 1 out of 3 on the difficulty meter, and the whole job should take you only about 30 minutes. Just make sure that you get those handles nice and clean first so that you have the best stick possible, and you can also utilize the included adhesive promoter that's in the box. And to show you the process for this now, let's go ahead and hand it over to one of our AT customers.
And here's the tools to install this brush to help put on this adhesive promoter, this microfiber towel, as we put some Windex on to help clean up the door handles. So the first thing they say to do is to check, make sure that it fits snug. These will snap on as well, but we're going to try it with the tape back still on to see that it fits and matches good. That's nice. All right, this next one, same way. Just seeing if it fits on there snug. I feel it's going to push. I think it would probably go with even out the adhesive. We'll try these other side too. Here's the other side. It's good. All right, so the first thing, we'll take my window cleaner, clean these handles, they'll dry. Same thing here. And back to the other side. keep this with me just in case any adhesion promoter gets onto the vehicle paint. I'll come back to this side. We're changing out these chrome handles and covering them with this black. First thing I'd recommend is taking this tape off. I say only put the adhesive promoter where the tape will be. Okay. There's that. That says to press on there with your hand tightly. So I'll give it a little more pressure. Snug. Then I'll move on to the next one. Probably the hardest part. Whew. Put this here, and I'll get the promoter ready. Put a little pressure, squeezing it.
That's going to wrap it up here for our review and install of the door handle covers in gloss black fitting 2015 to 2020 F-150s. Thanks so much for watching, and as always, for all things F-150, be sure to keep it right here at AmericanTrucks.com.